In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook page blue tick. Before we dive in, here's the first important truth. For most people in 2026, the blue tick on a Facebook page isn't free anymore. There are only two legitimate paths to get it, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose what fits your situation. Let's start with the fastest route, Meta Verified. This is a paid subscription that bundles the blue tick with added security and support. To begin, open the Facebook app or Meta Business Suite, go to Settings, and look for Meta Verified. Tap Get Started, then select the Facebook page you manage. You'll be asked to upload a valid government-issued ID so Meta can confirm your identity or your authorization to represent the business. Make sure the details on the ID match the page's information. Next, turn on two-factor authentication for extra account protection. After that, proceed with the subscription payment. When everything is ready, submit for review. Reviews are usually quick, but timing can vary by region. If approved, you'll see the blue tick on your page, plus you'll get enhanced account protection and access to support channels that can help resolve issues faster. Keep in mind, this is a recurring subscription, and pricing may differ depending on your location and currency. Now, the second path is the official Meta verification that's free, but much harder to get. This is designed for pages that meet strict criteria. Your page needs to be authentic, representing a real person or legitimate business. It must be complete with a clear profile photo, a well-written bio, and consistent public posts that show ongoing activity. It has to be unique, meaning only one official page per person or business, not duplicates or fan accounts. And most importantly, it must be notable. Notability typically means your page or brand is widely recognized, with strong search interest or coverage across reputable online sources. If you're aiming for this route, strengthen your online presence. Keep posting high-quality, original content, ensure your branding is consistent across platforms, and make sure any media mentions are easy to find and verify. Most rejections happen because the page isn't notable enough, the profile is incomplete, there's little or no online presence, or the documents provided are fake or unclear. Always submit accurate, readable documents and avoid third-party verification services, which are often scams. In 2026, Meta Verified is the easiest and most commonly used method. Choose the path that matches your goals and readiness, follow the requirements closely, and you'll give your page the best chance to earn that blue tick.